Roadmap to become an API developer. What does an API developer do? An API developer designs and builds APIs that allow different software systems to communicate with each other. Where it's used, APIs are used in web apps, mobile apps, cloud systems, SaaS platforms, and microservices architectures. Start with the basics. Understand how the web works: HTTP methods, requests, responses, and status codes. Learn programming fundamentals. Master a backend language like Node.js, Python, Java, or Go. Understand RESTful APIs. Learn how to design REST APIs and follow best practices. Explore advanced API styles. Learn GraphQL and gRPC for modern API development. Work with frameworks. Use Express.js, Django, Flask, or Spring Boot. Learn database integration. Connect APIs with databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB. Understand authentication and security. Learn JWT, OAuth, API keys, and secure data handling. Test APIs. Use tools like Postman, Swagger, or Insomnia. Document APIs. Create clear API documentation for developers. Optimize performance. Implement caching, rate limiting, and load balancing. Build real projects. Create APIs for apps like e-commerce, social media, or booking systems. Be ready for challenges. Handling scalability, versioning, and security issues. Think like an API developer. Focus on reliability, performance, and clean design. Power the backbone of applications. Start your journey today and become an API developer, enabling seamless system communication.